Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your Apple devices. Today, we're tackling how to use AirDrop on iPad in 2025. If you're an iPad user, AirDrop is a game changer for wirelessly sharing files, photos, and more with nearby Apple devices. With 2025 updates, it's even faster and more secure, thanks to enhanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi integration. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPad is updated to the latest iPad OS version, probably iPad OS 19 or whatever Apple rolls out by then. Open your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the AirDrop icon, which looks like a box with an arrow. Tap it and select Everyone if you want to share with anyone nearby, or Contacts only for added privacy. This is a smart feature in 2025 that uses improved facial recognition to verify contacts on the fly. Now, let's share something. Open the Files app or any app with shareable content, like photos. Select the file you want to send, say, a cool vacation photo. Tap the Share button, which is that square with an upward arrow. In the sharing menu, you'll see AirDrop options for nearby devices. If your friend's iPhone or Mac is close, it should appear as an option. Tap on it, and a preview will pop up on their device. On the receiving end, your friend just needs to tap Accept to start the transfer. With 2025's upgrades, transfers are lightning fast, often completing in seconds, even for larger files. One tip: ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network or have Bluetooth enabled for the best results. If you're having issues, check your iPad's settings under General AirDrop to make sure it's turned on. AirDrop is perfect for quick shares without cluttering your email or cloud storage. Remember, always be cautious with what you share to protect your privacy. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.